So dear friends, this is the second most important temple on the trail. This is also in north of Chilaw, about 10 minutes from Sri Manaswaram. Now this is called the Ramalingam Temple, and the importance of the Ramalingam Temple is that Rama himself uh, uh, Rama himself made the lingam here himself, Shiva Lingam here himself. And the other temple is, there are only two temples in the world. One was in Rameshwaram and one here. So after the battle, he stopped here and made the Shiva Linga here. So it's a very, very historic and a very important temple in that regard. So let's go and have a look and pay our respects. Very small, very intimate temple. So let's have a look. If they allow us to do it, we'll do it.